Hi everybody, my name is Nain. I am a student here at Oregon State University. We are standing outside Halsell Hall here on our south side of campus next to our sporting events as well as Arnold Dining Center. So let's take a look inside. Welcome to Halsell Hall. Halsell Hall was named after Carrie Halsell, the first African-American graduate from Oregon State University. Halsell Hall features apartment suite style rooms for second year and above students as well as transfer students. Welcome to one of two laundry rooms here in Halsell Hall. Laundry is completely free for every single OSU student, and we even have an app that can let you see which machines are available. We are now in a Halsell study lounge, a place with some couches, a piano, and a TV where you can hang out with some friends and do some studying. Welcome to a Halsell suite. Every suite features a shared living space as well as a kitchenette, which features a fridge, a microwave, and a nice little countertop that you can cook at. Each suite in Halsell will have multiple rooms, and in those rooms you'll be able to find a bed, a desk, and a wardrobe for you to put your clothes in. If you're bringing a bike to campus, Halsell has many places where you can store it. So now we are standing inside our transfer student living room on the bottom floor of Halsell Hall just for transfer students. You can do a little bit of studying, maybe just hang out, or even cook a nice meal inside our kitchen.